How to fix 0xa00f4244 camera error on Windows 10. To fix 0xa00f4244 camera error on Windows 10, try 1. Turn on the camera application in Windows 10 settings. 2. Turn off installed security application, temporarily. 3. Update camera drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Run the Windows Store apps troubleshooter. 5. Scan for potential viruses using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 6. Repair Microsoft Store by running these commands as admin: netstop bits netstop wowserve netstop apit netstop cryptsvc del %elicers profile \application data \microsoft \network \downloader /reamder system root /software distribution /s/q reamder system root /system 32 /cachro2 /s/q rakes for 32.exe /s atlantic dll rakes for 32.exe /s earlman.dll rakes for 32.exe /smshtml.dll netshare winsock reset proxy netstart bits netstart wowserve netstart apits netstart cryptsvc7. Back up your personal data, from passwords to bookmarks, then reinstall your Windows 10 OS.